The internet has allowed businesses of all sizes and types to reach new and larger markets around the world, while providing opportunities to work and communicate more efficiently using computer-based tools. While the convenience of the internet provides great opportunity, it also poses a great risk to any company that utilizes it. The theft of digital information has become the most commonly reported type of fraud, surpassing even physical theft, with the cost of cybercrimes reaching $2.7 billion in 2020 alone. Each employee that uses the internet within a company is responsible for creating a culture of security that will enhance not only business and consumer confidence, but also confidence with other coworkers. How you handle and protect your data is central to the security and profitability of your business, as well as the privacy expectations of customers, other employees, and business partners. Whether your company utilizes cloud computing, handles online commerce, online banking, or simply uses email and maintains a website, employees have legal and regulatory obligations to respect and protect the privacy of information. Welcome to the Cybersecurity for Employees Orientation Training. During this course, we will cover the following learning objectives: email and browsing practices, data protection, mobile devices, incident reporting,